So let's have a look at another possible tactic in order to again concentrate and focus on the cat, which is getting him to leave. So what else might you do in order to sort of emphasise the dialogue in order to achieve that objective?
Yeah, I could articulate certain sentences, make them have more emphasis that way.
Okay. Are there any sort of particular sentences that you could sort of think of, or that you'd think, yeah, if I articulate more, that might sort of land on him in a more, I guess, or yeah, a more expressive way?
Yeah, probably the "I like girls" line.
Yep.
Not the one where she's realising,
Yep.
but the one where she's telling Adrian. That could have a good effect. And the "Who are you to tell me that I don't?" Because that's another direct line to Adrian. Maybe the line at the end where she says, "You want to be a man, Adrian," because that again would make him uncomfortable.
Brilliant, excellent. Okay, so we're going to do the whole monologue again, but also not only integrating the articulation, but also pause kind of as we did before.
Yeah.
But if you find that it's natural to pause in different places, just pause in different places.
Okay.
So again, we're now bringing these two things together tactically in order to achieve this cap.
Okay.
Okay, great. So again, we'll do what we did before. I'll say 3, 2, 1, action, and then we'll begin. 3, 2, 1, action.
I was 9 years old at a birthday party at a friend's house. She had an older sister. I felt butterflies. I didn't know why at first. I just looked at her, this girl. She was wearing a leotard. It was a fancy dress. She was a cat. And I just knew that there was something going on and I didn't know what. And then, all at once, it hit me. And I realised, oh God, I like girls. And I waited for it to go away. I tried so hard to make it go away, and it didn't. And even when I went out with boys, when I went out with Josh, I couldn't say it, but I knew deep down that I like girls. I like girls. I like girls. And I've always liked girls, and I still like girls. So who are you to tell me that I don't? When I've accepted everything that you've said to me. You want to be a man? Fine. You need to change your name? All right then. You want to wear these clothes and lift these weights? Whatever. I've accepted that because it's what you want, what you need, who you are. Fine. And I've tried to change. I've tried so hard to change, but there are just some things that I can't change. Some things that I don't want to change because they're part of who I am. And why is that less important? Why do I just have to stand aside and deny all that because you're going on your own personal journey? I want you to be happy. I want you to get what you want. But what you want is to kill the person that I love and replace her with someone that I don't. Someone I can't. Because I'm gay. You want to be a man, Adrian? You want to be a man? Fine. But I like girls.
Great, thank you.